Hello everyone, welcome to Infinix Trading. Let us see some swing trade for the next week. As you can see that this is the chart of Ramkrishna Foreigns. Let us see this stock, how it move on the upcoming weeks. Here we can see that the stock has given the breakout of 210 to 13 level and closed upper from this level, resistance level. And we can see that here there is a spike of volume. So we can consider this as a breakout. In previous, we can see that from here, every downfall comes to this stock. It's retested here, retested. Now it's given a proper breakout. So we can assume that it will go up. So let us see how will we take trade. First of all, we can see that a small retest maybe when the market will open on the Monday. After that, we plan as a retested stock and we can plan as a target of first target as a this level 230 and after that in the upcoming weeks we can see that its stock maybe reach to the high of 242. Here we will wait for some time and wait for a proper breakout of this level also 242 43. After that we can also plan to this level 259.60 in the upcoming few weeks. So when our first target achieved, we should trail our stop loss in the swing trade, or you can also trade in futures in this stock. Let us see some more stocks. Here we can see the Semaru Entertainment. You can see that this is the resistance zone of Semaru stock 160 level to 175 level. It's retested here for the first time this time, and after a few weeks it's given here a proper breakout, and you can also see that the volume spikes nearly 1.439 million volume. So this stock moves in previous session 16%. So we should have to wait for a retest near this level. Okay, I will mark this near this level 174, and after that we can plan for a breakout here, and next target is 195 and upper targets. It will go more ups when it will break this target after proper retest. So you should add this in portfolio and you can trade this as a stock intraday, or better to trade this stock as a swing trade. Okay, this is a rising wedge pattern. It have also given the breakout from the rising wedge pattern. So we can plan this stock for next week. Now we can see that here the chart of Pinar Industries. Here we can see that a small. This is the resistance zone, and the stock have given a proper breakout. And we can see that in the lower portion 2 days ago, this is the proper falling wedge pattern, and this stock have also given the breakout of this. And if we look this stock in weekly candle, then we can see there is a formation of cup and handle pattern that I have to draw. Yeah, you can see that this is a cup and this is the handle, and here is the breakout. You maybe wait for the retest of this level, and we can such a plan a good trade in this. Our target will be 62 in upcoming weeks, and we can see that more higher this stock will go up to 72 75, and maybe breakout soon possible from this level. So we can see much more higher targets in this, and we can also see that volume. There's a 14 million volume in weekly candle, and we can see that proper volume spikes, volume increasing for the proper breakout of this level. So we can take swing trade in this level in the upcoming weeks. Now we can see that the chart of placement and advertise. We can see in the this trade, I have to tell you something how to plan or wait for proper breakout. Here we can see that this is the resistance zones. First time selling comes from this stock and stock fell. Again selling comes this stock again fell. You can see that again the retest come from here and the stock moves. After this, when stock test is resistance level two times, then its resistance maybe broke up. And here you can see that in the weekly candle, this stock given a proper breakout from this resistance level. So in the next week, we have to wait for the retest, and we have to plan such a good trade in this stock. And this is the potential of this stock to move higher from this level 64 level, and also upper. This stock have given the proper breakout. So we can trade in this stock next week. If it open near 50 or 51, wait for retest, and from this level we can trade this stock as a swing trade in the coming weeks. Next stock, okay. Here we can see that, oh, where we can see that this is the chart of Hindustan Petroleum, and here you can see that this is the proper support and resistance level mark I have marked today. Okay, let us see how can we plan this in this stock. Here we can see that the continuous selling up in this stock and had tested this line many times. After that, this is the resistance zone, support zone. This is the support zone. The stock had given the breakout of this support zone in the daily candle. You can see that much more clear. Here we can see that in the next upcoming week, this is the proper breakout of Hindustan Petrol. So we should have to still see some selling pressure in this stock in the upcoming weeks. Let us plan how to take trade in this. Firstly, we have to take trade and wait for this zone, proper breakout of this zone in the daily candle, and maybe this stock plan some retest nearly 204 to 5 zone where the currently trading this stock, and after that this breakout the stock maybe comes to 190 first target, and after that we can see such more fall in this stock nearly 2180 170 to wait for proper retest in this stock, and after that we can see some selling pressure and stock come at this level resistance level. Suppose after this stock fell from here, it is in the it will be the major resistance level, and we can see as a support of stock at 174.5. So we can plan this stock in the next week. So our next stock is Power Grid Corporation, and we can see that this is the proper breakout of symmetrical triangle. This stock have retested this level resistance zone, and after that it becomes support zone, and once retested this line, after that it we can see that after the retest we can see that there's some selling pressure. So we consider this as a retest of the upper line, and after that we can see some selling pressure. Here, how to plan this stock? We have to take the trade as a swing trade in the upcoming weeks, or we can trade in a futures. Here are of the mark level. First target is 206.24. This will be act as a support level. After this breakout, we can see more moves in this stock, and the next level will be 188 to 186. So we can sell this stock in the upcoming weeks for this target, and after that this target. After this, our next stock is Sri Renuka Sugar. Here we can see that the resistance zone of Renuka Sugar is 161 to 163, and we can see how volume spikes in this stock. So let us have a look this stock for the next week swing trade. So we can plan this stock in the swing trade in the stock come to its resistance zone. We should wait for proper retest, and then we have to plan this stock. And first target is nearly 68 from this retest to 68, and after that we can see such more moves in this stock. We should take this stock after it properly break out this level after retest in the upcoming weeks. And after this, after second target is nearly first target is 68 to 70, and after this 76, and we should tell stop loss our when we trade in futures. Our next stop is Ashok Leland. So let us plan. This is the daily time frame of this stop. Here we can see that the stop have sharp fallen from its resistance zone 265 to 269, and have touched this point. After that we see such some movement in this, and we can see that here there is a breakout of the stock has given the breakout. So our first target is 439 to 141. After the breakout of this support zone, we can see such a more fall in this stock from 140 to 129 to 31. So this is all for the next week. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel, share this video. Thank you.